students, we have written one paragraph earlier. The topic was my pet animal, and today we are going to write one more paragraph, and the topic is my best friend. So we are going to write one paragraph on my best friend. Open up your notebooks, children. Open your fair notebook. You have to write along with me. Now let's recap what is paragraph. Paragraph, as you know, I taught you in my previous video that paragraph is a group of sentences which are written in an organized manner. And there is one topic. So the topic on which we are writing, the first line of the paragraph should explain that topic, should be based on that topic. Okay, so our topic is my best friend. So first line of your paragraph will be about your best friend. So you will introduce your friend's name, and then there are supporting lines which will support your paragraph, and you will end with the concluding line. So your paragraph should cover up only central idea, one main topic, and your paragraph, your lines, your sentences will move around that central idea only. Okay, and then sentences you frame should be short. And so let's begin our paragraph, my best friend. Okay, be ready with your notebook. Let's start writing, children. You have to write along with me. I have many friends. First line will be I have many friends. Now you will introduce the name of your friend. I have many friends, but my best friend is but my best friend is Amul. See, so you are writing on my best friend. So in the very first line you have introduced the topic. Now next few lines you will write down to support your topic. So you will write about your friend now. He studies in my class. At the end of every sentence, full stop. He studies in my class. Then after full stop, first letter capital. We sit together and what do you do together? We sit together to do our work. We sit together to do our work. Means you and your friend enjoy sitting together to complete your work. Now, why do you like him? Why he is your best friend? He is good at studies. He is good in studies. That is why you like him. He is good at studies. And then more explanation about your best friend. He is the monitor of our class. Now few more good qualities. He obeys teachers and respects he obeys teacher and respects everyone. He is good at games. Who is good at games? Your best friend about whom you are writing. He has won many prizes. He has won many prizes. He wears clean clothes. Why you love him? Why he is your best friend? Because he always keeps himself neat and clean. He wears always neat and clean uniform, neat and clean clothes. And he is so simple. He leads a simple. He leads a simple life. Now something about his family. His father is a teacher. Your friend's father is a teacher. And his mother is a housewife. Housewife. His mother is a housewife. He is always regular. Regular means every day he comes to school. He is always regular. Now, what is his aim in life? He wants to become a doctor. What he wants to be in his life? He wants to be a doctor. Now, concluding line. All the teachers of our school love him. Why teachers love him? He is good in studies, he is good in games. So not only teachers, everybody around his surroundings, near his home, his neighbors, everybody will love the child who is good in studies, who is very obedient, who respects elders, and who plays also very well. He is good in games. So he wants to become a doctor. All the teachers of our school love him. And last line, I am this is children your paragraph on the topic my best friend. Now let's revise what we have written. So first line, I have many friends. Let's revise children. I have many friends. You have many friends, everybody has, but out of those friends, at least one is there who is very dear to you. So, whom you like very much. So, but my best friend is Ankur. Here you can write any name. One who is best friend, you can write his or her name over here. It's not compulsory to write only Ankur. Whosoever is your best friend, you can write his or her name. Okay children? So, my best friend is Ankur. He studies in my class. Means we both are classmates. We study together. And we study together, so we sit also together in the class. We sit together to do our work. We sit in the class together and we do our work. He is good at studies. Here he is, this pronoun is used for whom? For your best friend Ankur. So he is good at studies. Means your friend is good in studies also. He is the monitor of our class. Children, who becomes the monitor of the class? Who is very disciplined, who is very good in studies, who is very good in games, and who respects everyone. So, he only becomes the monitor. So, here your best friend is monitor of the class. He obeys teachers. Now, good quality of your best friend. Why you have made him only your best friend? He obeys teachers and respects everyone. Obeys teachers, all elders, and also he gives respect to everyone. So, he is good at games. One more quality of your best friend. Your best friend is good in games. He has won many prizes. The one who is good at games, so good in studies, so he has won many prizes in both the fields. He wears clean clothes. One more quality children, if the one is very disciplined, very good in studies, but at the same time if he comes in very untidy dress, so nobody will love him. So here he wears clean clothes. This quality must be there. So everybody who keeps himself neat and clean, so everybody will love him, the one who keeps himself neat and clean. So here he wears clean clothes. Then he leads a simple life. Leads a simple life means he belongs to an ordinary family and he leads a simple life. His father is a teacher. Now some introduction of his family also. So your friend's father is a teacher. Who is he? He belongs to a family where educators are there. So his father is a teacher. And his mother is a housewife. Housewife means his mother lives at home and serves the family. So his father is a teacher and his mother is a housewife. He is always regular. Regular means the one who comes regularly to school. Most of the students come for 3-4 days and take a 1-day break. So can you imagine that he will progress in life? No. To progress in life, to become successful in life, one has to be regular. So he is regular, means comes to school every day. He wants to become a doctor. Now you tell the aim of your friend, what your friend wants to become. He wants to become a doctor. All the teachers of our school love him. Of course the teachers will love him because he is, you have written, good in studies, good in games, he is disciplined, he is obedient and he is respectful. He respects also everyone. So all the teachers of our school love him. Then last line, the concluding line children, I am proud of my best friend. You feel proud on your best friend. So this is paragraph, children. This is called a short paragraph because hardly 8 to 10 lines are there, and you will not write down your paragraph in lines. Don't write line wise. You have to write it in this manner like paragraph. So children, this is your paragraph. One more paragraph you have written, my pet animal. Now this is the second paragraph, my best friend. You have to learn both the paragraphs because in any of the weekly test I can ask any one of the paragraph. So learn this paragraph and write it down in your fair notebook in very neat and clean handwriting. This is your homework for today. Now children, not only write but also learn it, keep it in mind. You all are very good children, okay, very obedient students. So learn this paragraph, okay. Have a good day.